time to watch a movie.
Yeah.
I wonder what to watch, you know? Let's see what I'm gonna choose.
What do you mean what you're gonna choose? It's my turn to pick.
I have a remote, now it's my turn to pick.
Oh, really? Give me that.
Hey, no.
I got the remote.
Oh, you get it. What? Hey, stop. That hurts. Stop. Okay, that's
What are you gonna do about it?
I can't be here. How do you like this? 1, 2, 3. What's that?
Go!
What are you doing?
I stay down there.
Water. Whoa!
Yeah, take that.
Damn! The stairs did half the work for me. That said, give me the damn remote.
No, never.
Yeah, give me the remote, huh? Give me the remote. Give me the remote, huh?
No.
Give me the remote.
You'll never get that remote.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you the remote.
You're gonna have to buy it from my cold red hands.
Yeah, I think so. That's gonna be the remote. How will you get the remote? You're not gonna get away. Avery! All this fighting. We did everything. Just give me the remote.
You'll never get it from
I
me.
swear you changed the channel last time.
You're lying.
Right. Give me the remote. Where is it?
Have it.
What do you mean?
I left it at the house.
You left it at the house?
Yeah. You know, I set it down when we were fighting. What, you think I was gonna keep
I just
it?
rode down the hill. I've cut and bruises all over me.
What, did you think I was gonna keep it in my pocket? I can't fight while carrying that thing around.
Great. Just what we needed. You know, this fighting was stupid.
Yeah.
Why don't we just find something to watch that we both like?
I guess we learned the hard way.
Wait,
Fighting isn't the way to solve your problems.
fighting is not. I know what we should watch. 3, 2, 1.
Avery and Matt Productions.
Let's get it. Man. Well, after everything, we settled our differences, yeah?
Yeah. Now we can finally watch Avery and Matt Productions.
Yeah.